doing that.
As I am.
Well, once you get
Good. So, now you have to mix this for how many minutes?
well, it's not going to matter because the stuff isn't in there. Go ahead, dump it in.
The whole thing?
We'll take our chance.
This won't work.
Betty Crockers of tomorrow.
How do you know her?
Huh?
How do you know her?
Because I'm reading the directions are on there.
This thing has a mind of its own.
Is it time for Emma now?
I think so. No, it's not. It's actually coming to a brownie mixer.
You are a big spit. Spitter.
Watch your fingers with the mixer.
I can't do it anymore. It has a mind of its own. I think we got to the mixture point.
Wait.
I think once it has like a mind of its own and it's really controlling you, then you should shut off the thing and then do the next step.
I better not be on there. Seriously. Don't.
Emma!
I don't want Emma Jones.
So, now I
Okay, let's.
shut off the mixer once it. Can I like that?
No,
These two.
turn it.
And the mind of its own, right?
Hold it. Why is that? That's why you have the handles.
Stop it! You need to control it. You need to work hard to make it. This is hard mixture. I think it's almost ready. Once it looks, see, it does not have a mind of its own. All work together.
Doesn't it?
Then,
All right, let me stir. Shut it off so we can stir. Here, you. Stir.
can I like this,
No,
Mommy?
not yet. Not yet.
That's big. Emma, put it in. Put it in.
Stir. How do you stand this?
Oh my god. I can't.
Emma, you look like a mad lady with that thing in your hand.
Get all these stuff on the sides. Get it scraped down. Emma, you're a lunatic. Stop.
Now you got to throw it all out.
She's one of those rock dummies.
Mommy, why can I like this?
Now
Why?